Hi guys, today we would like to talk about our project that can significantly impact our everyday lives, which is panic disorder detection. By providing an efficient method of self diagnosis, the issue of frequent and everyday panic attacks can be handled more effectively and on a larger scale. This way, this project can have an immensely positive impact on individuals and society as a whole. We would like to dive deep into our project, and my friend Shakti Shamruth will continue with the explanation.
So for our project, we have used this dataset from Kaggle. Now we are reading. We have already saved the dataset, and now we will read the dataset using pandas. Then for the pre-processing, we will check for the null values, and we can see that there are some null values. So we will fill those null values using fill in a function, and then we will cross-check if the null values are filled. Then for handling categorical values, we will use label encoding. And then for this disorder diagnostic feature, it is imbalanced. So the majority class to match the majority class and minority class, we will use a smart oversampling technique. Now my teammate Aditya will continue with model building.
Yeah, so after observing the data is split into training and testing. The training data is then used to train five different models. Those are random forest, decision tree, KNN, extra trees classifier, and XGBoost. After observing the accuracy and efficiency, we perform hyperparameter tuning to tune the trained models with training and testing data sets. The accuracy of the models improve noticeably. The decision tree model gives the highest accuracy in the model in the most efficient way. So we save it as our final model as dtf.pkl using the pickle library. Now my teammate Abjit will continue.
And now coming to the code, we brought in the libraries like TensorFlow, Pickle, and we have used the library Pickle to link the dtf.pickle file, which was trained using the dataset, and we created that model. And we have deployed this particular Python file using Flask. We have also a- link the user interface with this Python file. Now let's go into the user interface code. In this user interface code, we have used like the toggle buttons in the form of radio buttons, and then we use the drop down menu and also a few text boxes. We used zeros and ones to check for the label encoders. Now my friend Yagavi will continue.
So this is the user interface. Here the user can enter their details like age, gender, family history, and all the important features that may be helpful to classify whether the patient is having the panic disorder or not. So let me put both the possible outputs and show you the outputs. Uh, Here, the patient personal history, like whether he had the panic disorder or not, and the severity, and how often they do exercises, or their sleep quality. Based on that, the output will differ. So, as we are giving that sleep quality is not good and social support is high, so we can able to see that the patient is having the panic disorder. Similarly, if we give the stress level is low and there is no patient history like that, and if the medical history is none, then it will show like the patient is normal. So this is how our project works, and these are the contributors. So this will be helpful for the users to self diagnose themselves like whether they have the disorder or not. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.